Standard quick set deadbolt lock like you'd find Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's. Key removed. Cylinder will not turn. These locks are extremely easy to pick. Insert tension bar. Light pressure. Standard hook. And the lock is picked. And reset again. These locks are almost no security at all. The next level up would be the standard locks, but with security pins such as serrated pins, spool pins, etc. This is how locks work, whether it be in a deadbolt, standard door lock, or padlock. The bolt breaks up the pins into two separate pins, different sizes on the driver pins, and they have to all meet along the shear line for it to open. Very few of these are made so tight that it's difficult to pick a standard lock. Try to hold this so you can see it end. So light tension, standard hook, first pin, second pin, no, that one broke, fourth one broke, fifth one broke, sixth one broke. To get a better lock, it would be advisable to use something like the multi-lock or some of the more expensive locks. Most people don't because they run around 80 to 175 bucks per deadbolt, but they all can be picked to some degree, but it takes a different skill set and quite a few different lock picking tools to get into those of different designs. If you're relying on a standard deadbolt with standard pins, it's not really a lot of security.